This is Dr. S.S. Acharya, Chairman and Managing Director, National Small Industries Corporation. It was a great pleasure to visit the 5th All India EV Expo 2025, and the organizers have taken a great pain to arrange, a variety of EV manufacturers, including the lithium batteries, the vehicle manufacturers, the artificial intelligence based solutions, which is based on predictive technologies. So a range of solutions are available here. And EV, as we all know, is something that is the in thing that is going to only expand exponentially. And when we are going forward from the current our petrol based vehicles or diesel based vehicles, and transitioning to the EV in a great way, this kind of expo is actually showcasing the kind of products that is available in the market, and it is connecting the intending entrepreneurs into venturing into new kind of activities into the EV space. And they are also people who are providing turnkey solutions to set up manufacturing of lithium-ion batteries and other such products. So I am sure this expo will go a long way, not only in expanding the Indian vehicle market in EV, but also supporting the entrepreneurs who are looking for supporting, setting up kind of turnkey based projects. And I wish the organizers of the India Expo, EV Expo 2025 a great success. Thank you.